Hi, Judd here. I have this beautiful set of socket wrenches here, both metric and SAE, American in other words. And they're in this nifty box, but they're different heights. And so when you lift it up and carry it, all these little ones fall out and you got to keep putting them back in order. So I glued in a couple of pieces of cardboard to take up the difference in height, but it's not quite right. I've had it setting under a heavy box for the last couple of days to make an imprint here of where I need to cut away a little bit or squish down, and so I'm going to do that to continue this so that when I pick it up, which right now works totally fine, everything stays in place, but it's not quite right. Well, you know, actually it's pretty darn close. I think I just got a couple of little details here to work out. This is an ongoing problem in the world of auto mechanics, is proper storage and keeping of your sockets, because everyone comes up with all sorts of solutions and none of them quite work. These are still making an impression up here, so that's a little high. So there, what I'm going to do is just press down a little bit, squish that cardboard up a little bit. I've got 2 layers of cardboard at that point. You just rub that down, thin it out a little bit. This is corrugated, 2 sheets of corrugated cardboard on the deepest parts here, which I spray painted black just for appearance's sake. This one's a little bit higher than the other ones. Okay, so again, we'll just crush that area down a little bit. Little marking here, a little bit there. Hey, let's see what we got. Okay. I'm going to test something here. I'm going to take all these pieces out, except for the front, and see if it then closes without any gaps on the side. That's why I'm getting a gap along this side now, so I want to see if I can alleviate that. Well, this is still holding everything up higher than it should be, so this thing never closed properly in the first place, because this just isn't sitting in there deep enough. But everything else is secure now. So now I'll put everything else back in. Okay, that's good enough. That's shaking a baby. Boom. There you go. Okay, so a nice secure case for my major set. Happy day to you.